How do you fix Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core is crashing on Steam? So first you want to right click on the game in your library and open up the properties. Now from the general tab you want to add -DX11 to the launch options and then go to installed files and verify the game files. And once this process is completed, you can close Steam and then you'll need to open up new browser tab and navigate to this link, which is going to be in the description below. And from the redistributables table, you will need to download and install the 86 and the 64 installer, both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will require you to reboot your PC. And right after the reboot, you'll need to check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So you can either use your NVIDIA app or AMD software, depending on which GPU you have, and check for the latest driver updates and install them. Next, you will need to run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.